As a medical design and engineering company, Comate from Belgium combines medical components, modern materials, and increasingly efficient technologies in new medical products. Engineer Joris Bellens sees some development trends.
We see a lot of new technologies that have an impact on how innovative products go to the market. Nowadays, AI-driven algorithms, they help us with data analysis and predicting some diseases, but also helping analyze the data for the health practitioners. Another evolution that we see is more towards the production techniques for making more smaller devices. But also, on the other hand, the regulatory aspect of making medical devices has changed over the past few years. And last but not least, the rise of medical IoT nowadays is a rapid increase in generating data.
In Bellens' view, the possibilities for planning and implementing prototypes have changed in recent years as a result of digitalization. CAD software, virtual simulations, and 3D printing have revolutionized prototyping and shortened the time to market. Comate, together with Belgian startup CoMoveIT, developed the prototype for an AI-powered head and foot control system that enables people with severe motor dysfunctions to steer their e-wheelchair without assistance. Here, the designers had to keep several requirements in mind.
One is durability and robustness. It's people that really struggle with the control of their movements. You have to make sure that everything you give them is robust enough to use in their daily life. And the other one is flexibility. Every patient is different. All their symptoms are different. You have to make sure that it's flexible enough that you can cater to as much people as you can with your system.
During a development phase, a close relationship develops between the manufacturers and the medical designers.
Well, it indeed all starts from an idea without having any kind of view on how this will become reality. So obviously at that point in time you go with that idea towards designers, try to explain what you're talking about, and then a full iterative process starts up and continues, and that goes through the entire project. When you see that your idea becomes something in a direction that you don't really want, you need to have a chat together, have a detailed conversation on how that can be improved, and then get it back on the correct way. So you run into unexpected items and then you handle it together in a good partnership, and that's really what is important. And also this year we actually achieved the Silver Henri van de Velde Design Award together with Comate.
Comate will present the wheelchair steering system and several more of its latest prototypes at COMPAMED 2023 this year.
Actually, we have developed a DBST, it's a deep brain stimulation instrument. Actually, it's a complete deep brain implant that goes into your brain, and there's the neurostimulation or steam engine is implanted in your body. About the design, there's a lot of challenges that arise when you're making a deep brain implant, a class 3 medical device, a complete implanted system. With a lot of those challenges are related to safety. We also have developed a bio device together with a partner of us. Actually, it's a tool to make sure that you can do on a cartridge electrophoresis of the cells. So actually you can have plasma cells and you can have an enzyme that you want to induce in those plasma cells. And with an electronic pulse, at the right moment, you can give a pulse to the cartridge and just make sure that the walls of the cells are perforated. And at that moment, you can induce those enzymes into those cells and it's filtered out again. So it makes sure that you can speed up your R&D of your pharmaceutical supplies, of your medical device. The Night Owl from Ectosense, it's a home diagnostic tool for sleep apnea. It's a fingertop sensor that makes sure that at home you can do a lot of testing, that you don't have to go to the hospital to stay there for a few nights and to see if you have sleep apnea or not. With this home diagnostic tool, it can be read out later by a clinician.
There are several reasons why COMPAMED is the appropriate place for the company to participate.
We can connect with suppliers over there, we can connect with peers, with colleagues, with clients of us. Actually, everybody that we want to see is there in one place.